Okay, everyone, welcome to part 3 of a 5-part series where I talk about some random stuff that I uh, learned during the duration of Module 2 or realized or something. Okay, let's start. I have a bad short term memory sometimes, but a really good long term memory. Like, I can forget where I put my items just a second after I put them, but I can remember in specific detail what I did 7 years ago. I am very bad at math. Sometimes I do things, but I have no idea why I'm doing it. And this is probably going to be the shortest section because I don't really know what I'm talking about here. So I'm so sorry. My style of learning differs on whether it's for academics or interests. Not that academics isn't interesting, but that it usually does not line up with what I'm currently into. For example, right now I love learning about history. It only started around senior high school, and we do not have history in senior high. I've had history classes in the lower levels, but I never had interest in them. So I either failed those or have grades that are just high enough to pass. So, what is the differ in style that I was talking about? Well, academics wise, I like taking down notes. I probably won't read them, but at least I got proof that I'm studying. Interest wise, I watch some videos about the same topic several times and read various articles about that topic. Sometimes I'll watch the same video or read the same article on the same topic more than once or twice or even thrice to see if I missed some details or, you know, just to see if it's true. Because the writers of articles differ sometimes. I don't know how many Churchill timed videos I've watched, but I can pretty much distinguish a Churchill 1 from a Churchill 2, for example. And yes, I like doing my World War II research, so it really depends on my interest. I'll write down in academics because I usually don't pay attention, while I'm perfectly fine relying on my memory and store details if I'm interested. I must say though, I'm a pretty loud learner. I like talking to myself a lot during academics or while assessing a situation in the game. Like, for example, War Thunder, where I assess the situation before the game starts because I have to plan my actions. Because if you're in a big, slow, heavy tank, you won't be going into that um, area as fast as you would in a light tank, and you wouldn't be able to relocate as fast. So you really had to think about where you're going and why you're going there, or what the enemy is about to do, and what the terrain currently is. Because in some tanks, there's there sometimes they have very low values on gun depression, so I can't. If you have low gun depression, you can't really go through. Okay, no, 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 no. Let's not go to that talk.